Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Thanh Loan. I'm from Techbase Vietnam. I have worked for many services like Yahoo Japan, Shopping, Yahoo, and now Yahoo Japan Finance. For me, every challenge is a chance to grow and every project is a story with my team. Currently, I'm working with the Yahoo Japan Finance and our project is class is a large-scale scrum, and we can call class for short. And now, honestly, I'm amazed and grateful to be here today. I'm excited to share with all of you, my dear colleagues in our BrSE cooperation family from many countries and cultures. Today, I want to tell a story about how our team faced communication process challenges in a global environment. And now, let's begin. Here is a story for today. First, our starting point. I will introduce Techbase Vietnam team. Next, I will share our challenges we face with communication and quality. Then, I'm excited to show you the solution we found, a new tool and a new process we created. And finally, the result and takeaway from our story. Let me introduce our team. We are a team from Techbase Vietnam, and we are BrSE development unit for the Yahoo Japan Finance team. And our story began when we joined their place framework, and we worked directly with development team, include designer, planner, and developer. And just like that, we were in multilingual environment with English, Japanese, and Vietnamese every day. From day one, we knew communication would be our first big challenge to overcome. To understand our story, let's first go back to the beginning. My team and the Yahoo Japan Finance team follow the standard Scrum process. And we use different languages like Vietnamese, English, and Japanese. With them, we spoke mainly in Japanese. And that's why our team have a free software engineer. We can call Chris SE for short. And we have a lot of meetings on Zoom every day, and more than 80 meetings every 2 weeks. So, with many meetings, what happened to our team? Let me show you in the next slide. Our team faced the first big challenge. We call it the BrSE bottleneck. So, what's exactly BrSE and why? Let me explain more. Well, in our project, here's where the main connection our between team. He's the central hub for all information. Every question, discussion, decision from business, design to technical. Every information had to go through him. It's go very hard work to our BrSE. This project happened in our meeting. In every meeting, he had lesson in Japanese and at the same time, translate for our team in Vietnamese. That's why it created two main problems. First, our BrSE were completely overloaded. Second, it was very easy miss important detail. So, to meet this challenge, we set 3 clear goals. First goal, empower the team member. We want everyone to feel confident, join any meeting, and get information for themselves. Second goal, understand in real time. This means no more delays. Everyone understands the meeting as it happens. And third goal, reduce our BrSE. Instead of translating everything, we want our BrSE focus on key strategy and key point. Okay, before I continue, I have a quick question for everyone today. Have you faced a similar problem with many languages? Please raise your hand. Oh, I see a few hands. Thank you. My team not along for today. And I believe that technology can help us. Today, I will show you how we edit. Therefore, my team decided to build a new tool. We plan it, we develop it in ourselves, and we call it ZoomScript real-time translator. And it's a simple term extension that works with Zoom on the web. It gives you live translation guide in your meeting. And it's powered by Check AI technology. So the translation very accurate. And of course, it supports many languages. With ZoomScript, our goal is simple. We want to make sure no one is left behind any convocation. So, what changed after we started with the use ZoomScript? Our team became more confident. They could get information directly with no language barrier. And because the team were more independent, our BrSE were finer free, and he could now focus on challenges like technical or business plans, not just word-for-word translation. But the most important result was our team understand embedding Zoom up to 70%. This means fewer misunderstandings, faster decision, and less stress for BrSE. Now, let's move on to our second challenge. It was a puzzle, speed and quality. As you remember, Techbase Vietnam team and Yahoo Japan financed you LeSS framework. And you know, LeSS framework is famous for speed, finishing and delivering feature in every single sprint. And we joined their fast workflow, we missed some quality checkpoints, and some issues appeared. So our puzzle became how to keep speed and quality standard at the same time. So what's our solution? We create new quality add-on. Let me explain more. Techbase Vietnam team and the Yahoo Japan team work together on the same single process. And our first action, we added 3 events for Techbase Vietnam team. An internal input specification, an internal sprint planning, and our retrospective. This adjustment to make a big difference. It helps our team a clear process to ensure high quality. Next, I will explain why we added 3 events. With the input specification, this was to get clear requirements from to the start and avoid costly mistakes. And sprint planning. And sprint planning, this allows us to plan for quality planner. And third, we have our retrospective. The main purpose is continuous improvement. Okay, so we adjusted the workflow. How about quality? I will show you in the next slide. We needed to make a change in our development phase. So we added new quality assurance step. During in the coding phase, we focus on two things: defining the impact scope and creating test viewpoints. This gives our team clear quality targets from day one. Then, I'm focused on iteration testing phase. This is to make sure all small part, all small feature work perfectly together. And finally, our team leader asks at the finally wait before any delivery or release, carefully using experience and the finally delivery checklist. So we had to be challenging communication and quality, and we found two solutions: ZoomScript tool and a new quality add-on process. Last but not least, the key to our success is the leader involvement, creating the key problem communication and quality, creating master plan to manage our time, which allow us to build a new tool and a new process, integrating the solution so well that improve our quality and speed. After all the effort to face the challenges, we have achieved the following result: the customer satisfaction score result of Techbase Vietnam team from Q2 2024 to Q1 2025. The chart shows the speed and quality often move in the opposite direction, but balanced at 4 points at Q1 2025. This is a great feedback from the Yahoo Japan finance team, and send many thanks to amazing work of our team. Finally, I would like to share you three main lessons learned from our story. First, let's use mass technology to like our ZoomScript can break down language barrier and make your team stronger. Second, adapt your process. Don't be afraid to change framework to fit your needs. And we learned that speed and quality can work together. And third, supportive leadership. A great leadership preserves its trust and support the team, not just to tell them what to do. In closing, I would like to share one last thing. I hope our lesson learned can help you too if you have a similar problem. Because I just believe that when we support each other, everything can be overcome. And I'm Lan from Techbase Vietnam. Thank you for your attention.